Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy cryptocurrency using a bank transfer, follow these step-by-step instructions for a secure and cost-effective purchase method. Step 1. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that accepts bank transfers in your country, such as Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, or Gemini. Create an account and verify your identity. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit or funding section of the exchange. Select bank transfer or wire transfer as your deposit method and choose your currency. Step 3. Note the exchange's bank account details including account name, account number, routing number, and any reference code. Save this information securely. Step 4. Log into your online banking platform or visit your bank branch. Initiate a transfer to the exchange's bank account using the provided details. Step 5. Include the reference code or memo provided by the exchange. This helps them identify your deposit and credit it to your account correctly. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to process, which typically takes 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank and country. Some exchanges support faster payment methods. Step 7. Once the funds appear in your exchange account, navigate to the trading section, select your desired cryptocurrency, and execute your purchase. Bank transfers usually have lower fees than card payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.